Hello everybody. Just sitting here. Just got back from physical therapy a little while ago. And Vanagon's a little dirty. Weather's not so great today. But I'm going to give you guys all an update. You deserve that. It's been a while. Let me sit down here in my chair. See a log bed there in the background. I've been playing with some furniture. I've been tinkering with some log furniture, trying to keep myself entertained. The physical therapy has been going very slow, so I haven't been able to get out and do all the camping I want to do in the van again, because I have physical therapy a couple days a week. Got my sidekick Bear with me. Bear, say hi, Bear. So yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to, just slowly putting stuff together here. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do as far as spindles yet. Some of you might have seen on Truck House Life, another Alaskan YouTuber here. I built him a couple beds for his new house. But that's kind of what I've been up to, just kind of sitting here in my garage tinkering. I've got everything pretty much ready to go on this bed. I just need to finish it up, and then got the van again. I'm gonna be heading out. I haven't got out and done any fishing yet, although there's lots of fish to be had. I've got a bunch of fish still left over from last year, so I haven't been real excited. A little work here. Should be putting the lift springs and the shocks and all my disc brake kits and all that on the van again here pretty soon, so that'll get washed up, and hopefully the weather's supposed to be nice next week. That's the plan for the van again. So I got asked what I had done to my shoulder. So it's an old military injury, happened 28 years ago now. Definitely, it took a long time for it to never heal. Had last January, had rotator cuff, labrum. I had calcified tendonitis and severe arthritis cleaned up and repaired. Had to have a second follow-up surgery this spring, back in April, due to the rotator cuff not healing, and the labrum had some fraying on it, so that got cleaned up. A whole bunch more scar tissue was removed. So it's been kind of a slow recovery, unfortunately. So I haven't got to go do quite as much as I wanted to with that right there, but it's coming. So please be patient. Bear and I are going to get out and do some camping. He likes to go. He rides with me everywhere we go. But I am. Yeah. Here's a good one. Poured some water in my computer, killed my computer on the last video I was actually trying to upload, so I'm gonna have to do this with my phone. So again, please be patient. I'm working on it. But for now, I just wanted to give an update. I will show the log bed that I'm building. Go check out Truck House Life. He's a great guy. Been fun working with him, just hanging out. But he's got a couple of beds, and you can check out his channel if you haven't already subscribed to his channel. He's a great guy, so check it out. He does a lot of Alaska stuff too. So anyhow, take care everybody, and I will get this posted, and there'll be videos coming soon.